Alright, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here is how to create a Near protocol wallet. So basically what you need to do is to go to near.org, and there's on the bottom side you have your wallet right there. Click on the link. It's going to take you to wallet.near.org. Wallet.near.org, that's where you create your wallet. So click on create wallet. So you need an ID, your account ID, which is a name.near. So I'm going to search if my it's taking. So search for what's not taking, but okay, this is available. It's available, so I reserve it. I click on reserve. Then I can decide to do secure code. This is recommended most secure. It will send me a unique code, a unique passphrase that I'll keep safe and use it to recover my account. Or you can decide to do email, receive verification code via your email address. So I'll do this so that I get my passphrase. So I click on continue. So this is my passphrase. Make sure you save this in the very secure place. It's unique to you. So I copy this and save it somewhere safe. So make sure it's safe. So I've copied it, then continue. So it's going to ask me for the second word that was sent. Let me quickly see what it was. Paste it here. And make sure nobody sees this, because when somebody sees this, it's going to claim all your coin in your wallet. So I'm not using this wallet. That's why I can't allow you to see this. So that's you go. So my second word there is wise. So I can come here and enter it backwise, verify, and it's set up. So it's asking for prevent spamming of new account. You need to verify the ownership. So I'm going to put my email address there. Please verify gmail.com. So it's going to send. Click on continue. So I'm going to my mail to copy this code. Simply copy this code and paste it. Copy and paste the code here. Alright, verify, and that will be done. Verified. So let's see. Okay, that's done. So I have pathbeto.near. So this is my wallet. If I want to receive token on near blockchain, I simply click on receive. So I copy this and just you can receive it here, and copy and send it to whoever wants to send me token. So that's all you need to know on how to create your Near wallet. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to my channel so you get regular updates when I post content like this. Have a nice day.